They say that the Baron, the gentle lion, is back. For most of us, I want to know who be the Baron, the gentle lion. I be the one of Biafra Liberation Ařmy commander. 2 days ago, I be some months ago. Now people they thought say the guy they don't buy him. Say Nigeria Army don't buy the guy. Now I can't do for news so everywhere. Say the guy they don't buy him. As we dey talk right now, the guy don come outside. He say anytime wey people talk say he don buy, na that time he dey get more power. He say this one now, say he come with the one wey dey call Operation Wipeout. No be small thing o my people. I go play you the video make you watch, but before we go inside, let's find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my people. Today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome. We see dey here dey bring you up back to back as e dey hot. If you know say you never follow this page, make quickly do so, and also make sure say you dey subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do not forget to follow us on TikTok with our name and also our logo on our platform over there. My people, as e dey hot right now, they say that the Baron the gentle lion is back. Okay, may you hear waiting talk as he come outside, because the rumor wey dey everywhere be say the guy don't buy. They say they don't buy the guy. Nigeria Army say they don't buy the guy, but finally he don't come outside say nothing do am. Say still dey gidigbam. He remain gentle. Many people don't they talk where gentle dey. Like say they don't buy him. One day gentle go still come outside again, come talk new bottle. Now let's watch the video from beginning to end before we come back. Come proceed.
Hello, Biafrans all over the world. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Depending your time, location, and depending wherever you are listening from. It's me, Baron the Gentle Lion. I am fully back again. I just want to show up this night because of many people that say that I am dead. I want to let them know that I am strong, healthy, and sound. I am not dead, and I will never die until Biafra is restored. In case if there is anyone in the house, please wave your hands, or you say something. Let us continue. Wow. N0w, you're welcome. You're welcome. I believe that, okay, maybe you guys will still be on sleep by this time. We are at 9 minutes past 1 in Biafra land. So Friday, you are welcome. You're welcome, my brother. I know it's like a surprise to you guys that I just showed up this night. I know many people will be wondering why Baron run away from social media for a while now. No, my brothers and sisters, I didn't run away. I was busy. That is why. As a soldier, I don't need to give all my time to media. I need to focus. I need to do my job perfectly. That is why I just give a little bit chance from social media so that I will be able to focus and carry out my activities in this struggle. So I really thank you guys, my followers and my family and friends, those that normally called me and ask me how I'm doing, those that normally chat me on my DM, those that normally ask about me. Many people was asking my friends and people that know me, people that can be able to reach me, how am I doing, that they hear that I'm dead. No, my brothers and sisters, I'm not dead. I am alive and healthy. And I will not die until Biafra is restored. So, That is what I want to let you guys know. Because of those of you that are afraid that Baron the Gentle Lion is dead, I will never die until Biafra is restored. Because my mission is not yet accomplished. The day my mission will be accomplished is the day Biafra will come. Then I will know that I have accomplished my mission in Biafra struggle. Then we will now move the country forward so that it will be a better place. Although my people, I'm having little poor network because of my location right now, but you guys should manage with me. I don't have to talk much because I am very tired. I need to have rest. I've been working all day, but I just decided to to say something on my media so that my family and friends and my followers and the lovers of freedom and the children of Chukwu Okike Abiyama, those that normally like to listen to me, we know that me, Baron the Gentle Lion, I'm still alive, that I am not dead. Many people were posting that I am dead. Many people were commenting that I'm dead. Many people were saying a lot of things about me. But I want to clear their doubts. I am not dead. I'm still remain the one Baron the Gentle Lion. I never change. I still stand on my word, the truth. Nothing but the truth. I still stand in the word of God that says that Biafra must come. That no any sabo will be left behind. We will crush all of them and squeeze all of them and throw them to the place they belong, because they belong in the zoo, and animals in the zoo will feed from their flesh, because that is what they chosen, and they will got what they want. I know many people will not be happy because they are hearing my voice this night, or they will not be happy because I know tomorrow morning a lot of people will be wondering, what happened? I thought that Baron is dead. I want to clear the air and I want to clear their doubts. But you know one thing about me is that whenever people are saying that I'm dead or praying evil prayer against me, that is the more my power increase, and that is the reason why I like it. The more they pray bad prayer against me, the more I grow in a spiritual realm. The more I grow, the more my powers, the more my strength, the more my wisdom, the more everything I have that is good, that is helping my life, will be increasing. And I have understand that when once you have enemy in this world, it will make you to prosper, because the enemies will be praying evil while the evil will be bouncing back against them, while you will be proceeding and growing in wealth, in riches, in healthy, in everything you do that is good thing in your life. My brothers and sisters, I want to say hello and good evening and good morning and good afternoon. Thank you all for those of you that have your time, that sacrifice your time to stay here with me this night. I'm very happy to see you guys here. I'm very happy to see you guys here, because it has been long and I have missed you guys, and I am back, fully back with fire, with the thunder. Onye choka agbaye egbe igwe. Onye choka do ya vam ado ya vam. Biafrans, you are welcome to New Year. And this New Year will be a great year for Biafrans. It will be a great year for Biafrans, because Biafrans is going to celebrate what they never expected. Earlier now, and it's going to shock everybody. It's going to shock everybody because nobody believes it. Nobody will believe it. But believe in me, as long as God liveth, as long as Chukwokikabema liveth, that's our joy must surely be completed, no matter what. Nobody will take it away from us. Forget about what people are saying. Forget about the bullshit people are saying. But one thing I am letting all of you to know is that as long as God is liveth, no man born of a woman, no man born of a woman will stop Biafra not to come. Biafra must come. Biafra must come. And we must be alive to see Biafra. Thank you all my people. I beg, share this live video so that my family and friends and my followers will see it, so that their mind will calm down. I don't have much to say because I'm very, very tired. I just want to say hello. And I believe that because I can see many of you are on sleep now in Biafra land. Many of you are still sleeping in Biafra land. But we are still at early morning now. This is 18 minutes past 1. So I have to relax my head small, because I've been working all day to keep land of Biafra safe and secured to the children of Chukwokikabema. So thank you all. May God bless you. Those that have the opportunity to stay here with me, I pray that Chukwokikabema will grant you your heart desires and your wishes. From today henceforth, all you seek, all the good things you seek from God will be given to you. With the power bestowed on me as child of God, I pray in the name of Chukwokikabema that every hands that is, we type amen and we type Biafra must come in this my page tonight, or anytime you see this video, you'll be blessed. I believe in God and I trust in God I worship, because God of Biafra never fail. Because they never fail and He will never fail. He never failed before and He's not going to fail, and He will never fail. We believe and trust in Him because He has been doing a great thing and wonderful work. He has been protecting us, we the soldiers of Biafra. Since how many years ago till now, we are still alive. It's not by our power, it's not by our strength, but by the grace of His name. That is why we're still alive. And we are saying thank you, because it's not easy. And I am also praying in the same way that every hands that we type Biafra must come, and every hands that we type he say in this my page tonight, or anytime you see this video, will be blessed by the name of Chukwokikabema. Thank you all. Good morning once again from Biafra land. Thank you. Bye. I will be back any moment from now, but my coming back will be a good news to all of you. Just like by coming out today on media is a good news to you, because I know many of you will be happy because you still hear my voice. I know many will be angry. Why is it that Baron is still alive? But why I'm still alive is to save you, to protect you, to guide you, to protect your properties in Biafra land. That's why I'm still alive. So you don't need to be angry about that. You have your life, I have my life. You use your life the way you want, and I use mine the way I want. And I have chosen to answer the call that God called me to save you and save your property and save the lives of Biafrans all over the world. And I greet all of you May Chukwu Okike Abiama continue to bless those that believe in Biafra with all their hearts and they support Biafra with all they have. Thank you all. God bless you all.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that and listen to wetin the Baron the Gentle Lion talk for inside this video. For most of una wey dey ask where this Baron the Gentle Lion here it is. They talk to us. We dey talk right now. May you share this video and also leave your own opinion in comment section. Any way you get to tell Baron the Gentle Lion, may you tell am for inside comment section as e dey hot. My people, Biafra, here we stand, no going back, because the things where they happen right now is so obvious and so clear to us that nothing go come aside for inside this contraction. The only way to this thing is make everybody carry chair, go in Papa house, go sit down. As I tell the talk am before, now so it be. Forget all those maga. Now we the citizen, now we the people, they even may say yes, the name it gas be, but you cannot bear the name of your slave master. No, you must come together with your brothers and abolish the name and move forward with a new future. That is the only solution Nigeria get. If not, there is no way. Okay, my people, now here we do. They still they bring you update. May you share this video and also make sure say they follow all our social media handles, especially may you subscribe to our YouTube channel and also make sure say they share our video. Very important. Thank you so much for watching. We'll quickly see you for the next update as it is hot.